Well, good, happy Thursday morning, YouTube individuals out there on the internet. Today's kind of a unique video. My Corvette has apparently become sentient and has healed itself. If you follow my channel, I've been chasing a unique transmission issue since I bought the car over two and a half years ago. It's been bearable. I've done little fixes to kind of mitigate it. Sometimes it'd be hard to get in third, and it's overall clunky at higher RPMs. The last time I really dicked with it was back in April. I put liquid moly in it and that's it. We'll go for a little drive. I'll show you what I mean, what it was doing and how it's behaving now, and any insight as to why it decided to fix itself. I'm open to suggestions. I have theories, but I don't know. It's weird. Alright, so for instance, whenever I would start the car, which I just did, on occasion it would be hard to get in reverse. Now it goes in no drama. And like I said, higher RPM, especially third gear, would be a total boner to get it into third. But now it goes into third, even at high RPMs, just like that. I don't know what happened. I didn't play with anything. I'll go for a little drive and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I have theories and I'll give you my theory in 1 second. All right, here we are, cold engine, cold transmission, low speeds, shifts phenomenal, zero effort, it goes right in. Before there was some effort, but not too much to where it pissed me off, enough to where I'm like, is that concerning? But now it goes into every gear. It's pretty much a pinky, I can boop, boop, put it into gear. It feels amazing, nothing performance-wise has diminished. It's a little warmer here on the main drag. I'll do a little pull for you. And as you can see, yeah, I'm shifting the gears effortlessly. This is an MGW, a little shorter than stock. I can never put this thing in third gear with one finger before. Still feeling good. This car sounds so good. Sounds better though when it's a little warmed up at temperature. I think all the high flow cat, all the stuff's got to kind of get hot, get kind of mushed together a little bit, all the connecting pieces. I'm gonna get on a little bit, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Getting to third, I was just above 2,500, 3,000. Just a pain in the ass. I really had to muscle it into gear, but now it's just whoop, right in. And it just started one morning. It just doing it by itself. I didn't do anything. I'm not mad. I'm a little apprehensive about calling this a win. I still am going to take the clutch apart. When I say clutch apart, I'm going to take the exhaust off and the exhaust window and inspect what's going on. And inspect what's going on in there. See, again, I put it in third, zero issues. Fourth feels so good all of a sudden. It could be a third, fourth shift fork situation, maybe. But all right, here's my guess. Whoever did the clutch job, at least probably 3 years ago or more, didn't shim it correctly. And they should have shimmed it a little bit less, so the throwout bearing was getting hung up. And after 10,000 miles or so, the clutch itself, I worn it just a bit to where the shim is now perfect. And now the slave cylinder disengages the clutch perfectly, and I think it just happened to happen last week. That is just a theory. I could be way off, I don't know. There could be one of the keys on the, I got the name of it, on the attached to the synchros, might have fallen off. This thing has not shifted this good since I bought it. Now keep in mind, I put a tick master cylinder in this guy. I got the MGW with the flat stick. I bled this thing with vacuum and by pedal, by using reverse gravity, putting the bleeder valve inside a cup, everything. This thing is bled. There's no air in the system, I guarantee it. I've adjusted this thing quite a few times. I have not touched any of those systems probably since February. In April, the truck, hold on. It feels so fucking rewarding now. It feels so good. In April, I put liquid moly in it, and there was a noticeable difference. It felt good. That was 4 months ago. It doesn't make sense to overnight mechanically heal itself. That's not quite how it works. It just gives you more smooth engagement, if you will. But as far as this thing just shifting into gear overnight, I'm open to suggestions. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm kind of at a loss for words, but I've never had a car fix itself, and it's a really amazing feeling. So good. So, yeah, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I thought it was interesting. I thought I'd share it with you. If anyone else is out there has ever experienced this phenomena. But, so. Oh, and first gear too. Sometimes coming up to a stopping, the first would never happen, ever happen. Now, effortless. I can't believe it. It's nuts. But I feel like this car now feels how it should have felt since I bought it. So, I don't know. All right, well, in any case, I still gotta get this guy up on jacks. I gotta get this exhaust off. Do a proper wrap of the exhaust. Or ceramic coat, I'm not sure yet. And then after that, I'll be doing the sleepy eyes up front, and then probably the halo lights in the back LED. So looking forward to that. I might do a harness bar and change the seat belts to harnesses, just because I just hate, I don't know, seatbelt in this thing, and I just hate it. What else? Gotta get these visors swapped out. And hopefully sooner than later, I'll be doing a fun video flying up to Maryland, picking up a C8. So looking forward to that as well. So, in any case, it's a quick little video today. It just had me kind of stumped. It's crazy. So, all right, guys, go enjoy your Thursday. And if I don't see you this weekend, have a good weekend. Mark out.